Sharp presents ActiveScene, a solutions-based offering that turns underutilized glass into dynamic signage and privacy. ActiveScene works in conjunction with Vela film by Avery, Dennison. Designed as a two-piece display system, the film placed on glass becomes a projection surface. When the film is in the off state, it becomes opaque, that can be used for privacy or rear projection. Turned on, the film becomes transparent, providing unobtrusive views into your location. The complete ActiveScene solution includes a site survey, projector and lens, Vela film and media player, controller, and all necessary hardware and cables. Installation and testing of the system are also included. ActiveScene. Transform everyday glass into your own on-demand digital signage solution.